Hi connoisseurs, I'm back again with a super delicious Korean recipe called TTEOK-BOKKI. It's Korean rice cakes in a super spicy, meaty broth. If you can't take the spice, this one ain't for you. You want to start by making your paste, which is basically the base of the dish. It consists of gochujang, soy sauce, brown sugar, gochugaru and garlic. You want to mix this up into a paste. The exact quantities and ingredients will be in the description of the video. You then want to put some water into a pot and bring it to the boil. To the water you want to add that paste that you made earlier. You want to mix it really well until it's dissolved into the water. Then add your par-soaked rice cakes, followed by your onions and your spam. I love spam, but that's optional. You then want to put the lid on, turn the heat right down to a simmer and cook it for at least 5 to 10 minutes until the rice cakes are super soft and chewy. After then 10 minutes, take off the lid and cook it on high heat for an additional 5 minutes. High intense heat for 5 minutes will make your sauce really thick like this, which complements the dish so well. You can then garnish it with sesame seeds and spring onion. And there you have it. Just look how good that looks. Let's give it a moment of silence.